Hello, my name is Andrew Dillon, and today I'm going to create an Excel spreadsheet called Andrew's Hardware Store. To start off the spreadsheet, I need to input the unit price on each of the products input on the spreadsheet. Then I just have to type in the quantities, and then define the total on the discount and discounted price. They require with some tables, which I have to use a load of math skills and features to get those answers. So unit price is just type in whenever price that you want it to be. So I'm going to be using it as €87, 34 euros, €67, 35 euros, 49 euros, 69 euros, 280 euros, 179 euros, 47 euros, and 67 euros. What quantities? It's just numbers between 1 to 10. So a 2, 6, 7, then 9, 7 again, then 10, 4, 9, 6, and then 8. 8. Now the total. To find out the answer, I need to find the unit price and quantity and find the total of the answer. To do that, you need to start off with equals, then B4 multiply by the quantity, which is C4, and then you get your answer here, which is 174 euros. Once I drag this all around, I will get the same answers for the rest of the products. Now, discount. This will require an if statement, so watch carefully. So equals if E4, if it's more than 300, and then D4 multiply 10%, comma 0, bracket, then the discount will be nothing, because that is 174 euros. Now that's the answer for the discount. So now how to find the discounted price is to simply just total the take away from the discount, which is E4. Drag all around. Now I'm going to be make all this into a border. And then change it into a color. I was always just trying to find out the text color, so I found it, so that's good. Right. So that's all the sums done. Now the next thing I now want to do is to create a chart which will connect all the products names and the unit price into that chart. So in order for that to work, Just highlight the product and the unit prices, and then go into insert, the insert tab, and then go into, I want to create a pie chart, so click on pie, and then I want a 2D pie chart. The chart, and then chart title, above chart. But it didn't work because there was a name already, so once it's blank, then it can work. Then you can put a name in. So I'm gonna call this Andrew's Hardware Store Unit Price Chart. Now the prices, the names are already on the chart, but the currencies and the prices are not in it. So in order for them to appear on the chart, I will have to go to charts and then go into the data labels, and then best fit. The best option for you to do that is best fit. Right, so there's all the prices, and there's the arrow that connects all these products into that price. So prices, all these colors will connect to the numbers. So that's the pie chart completed, and that's the spreadsheet finished. So I hope you all enjoyed this video very much, and thank you all for watching. Hope you learned this very, very well, and I hope you enjoyed it. So thank you very much. Adios.